Creating and managing your projects and quick estimates can be done from the Projects page here on the left side of the screen. Here you can see the status of all previous estimates by sorting through them here, deleting them by clicking on the X and then confirming, and editing them by clicking on the photo area. Now to create a new project, click the plus at the top of the screen. Each project follows the same 7-step process, and you can jump to any step by clicking its name in the progress bar. But let's fill out this one together by entering the client's name, address, phone number, and email. You can also enter their preferred contact and budget, which is for your eyes only. Once you're done, click on the arrow on the bottom right to jump to the Scope page. On the Scope page, you'll select the type of work that you'll be doing for the job. You can always come back later to add additional sections, but for now, let's just select bathroom and kitchen. Now below the checkboxes is an area where you can describe the job to the client. This is one of the first things the clients read, so use it wisely. So I have some pre-selected text in here. Once we're done, we're going to go to the Materials page. Now any scopes that you selected on the previous page will appear here on the Materials page. And this is the heart of your estimate and is really simple to navigate. Start by expanding the section that you're going to be working on by clicking or tapping the green arrow. So here we'll tap on the bathroom green arrow. You can then quickly navigate to whatever it is you're working on. Let's look at bathtubs, for example. When you find the material you want, you can start by checking it off and entering in your measurements. The price will be automatically calculated to include any markups that you have set. Now the price displayed is the national average cost. However, you can click on it to change it to whatever you'd like. We can change this one to $450. And the price again is automatically calculated. Once you do this for all the materials in the job, you're pretty much ready to send the estimate. Let's just plug in a few more. We can add some cabinets, 25 square feet, and some countertops. Now, if there's a product on here, or a product that your client likes, but you don't have on your list, you can always add an extra product in on the spot. Let's look at tile floor, for example. To add a new product, just click the Add New Item button. We can call this Fancy Tile. Give it a description. And give it a cost. Once you're done, just click Save, and it'll be automatically added to your personal database of costs. Then just add in the amount of units that you'd like. And again, everything is calculated for you. Once you're set here, you can move to the tax page. Here you can select any of the taxes that you want applied to your estimate. You can even select multiple taxes. But for this example, let's just have the one. Once you're done, we're going to move to the terms page. Here you can set your terms, conditions, and work schedule automatically. Now your account comes preloaded with some basic terms that you can plug in your own information into, or you can set your own on the terms and conditions page. Here you could also set it so your client will be ready to sign it once you email it or print it out for them. When everything looks good, move over to the Send tab. Now when you think everything is good to go and you're on the Send tab, you can review the estimate and see it exactly how the client will see it, without the terms and conditions though. So here we have our scope of work, explaining the job, our bathroom, and we have nothing entered for the kitchen. Now you have a couple of options of how you'd like to send it as well. You can automatically send it to the client's email that you entered on the client page. You can enter a different email here, and you can also send them an itemized or non-itemized estimate. The difference is, with an itemized estimate, the client will see each of the materials that you see below. If you prefer they don't see that and just see bathroom with a cost, make sure that this box is unselected. When you're ready to send it, just click Send PDF of Estimate, Print, or Download PDF, and that is it. Hopefully this was handy and you now know how to create an estimate using Quick Estimates.